In Microsoft Office 2010, there are two separate InfoPath programs. They do two different things. One is the InfoPath Filler. The second is the InfoPath Designer. The InfoPath Filler, which you see here, is used simply to fill in forms. That's all it does. It's a ribbon with two tabs and not a lot going on here. But for people who want to complete InfoPath forms and have a rich client experience, this is a really great place to do it. So the user can simply type information in. I know that, for example, that I can't format because there's nothing turned on that allows me to format. So I could say that this is an agenda for a finance group meeting. And as I tab, I will tab through the controls that are here on the form, using familiar controls like the date picker, rich text boxes, where all of my formatting tools come on, and other types of controls that I use in Microsoft InfoPath. When I'm done with a form, I can simply click Save. If it's going to a particular location, for example, a SharePoint site, or being returned by email, I can click the Submit button. This is the limit of what I can do in the InfoPath Filler, just what it says, fill in a form. The InfoPath Designer, on the other hand, is used to create forms. Here's the form that we were just filling out in design mode, where we created it. We have a lot of tools here at our disposal. We can look at the fields on the form, we can insert any item we want, design pages, connect this form to a particular data source, and change the language, other things that one might choose to do as a developer with an InfoPath form. So when you go to your Start menu and you choose Microsoft Office, if you have only the InfoPath Filler, then you're pretty much done with this course, because this is a course about the InfoPath Designer, where we'll be creating powerful forms. If you don't yet have the InfoPath Designer, go ahead and make sure it's installed so that you can join us in design.